Good afternoon. This is Charles coming to you, and we're going to be doing some chain sharpening with a Chicago Electric from Harbor Freight, and just showing how easy it is. So when I got this thing in, it pretty much had put a few things together. One of them was you had to put this clamp on, which is this clamp right here, and that clamps your blade in. It's pretty easy. Just to sharpen your blade, you've got to set it up where when the blade comes down, it'll catch at a 35-degree angle, which you always set it at, and you'll set this stop right here to where when you come to a stop on every other tooth, it'll come down and be in perfect alignment with that. So you'll start out with, more than likely, you'll start out having to adjust a little bit, but you'll bring it up cold without it running, and just have it touch a little bit, and just keep adjusting just a little bit until you get it just right. And so then you'll bring it up to the stop, mash your clamp with it on, and bring it down and sharpen. So let's turn it on and see how it works. Okay, so we've got it against our stop right here. We've got our stop adjusted. And so when we press this, it clamps it right there. So we'll bring it down. And I'm just taking a little bit off of it. And you'll see that it sharpens the side and the top. Okay, so in order to go to the next one, since I'm working on that one, I'll go one, and on the second tooth I'll grab it, second tooth, and I'll bring it down. And a lot of times I like to pull, excuse me, I slipped a little bit. Okay, so I like to pull it up kind of snug and then mash it, excuse me, and then press the stop. Mash, that's a southern word. So it should be just right every time. And this is a new chain. I just took it out of my Ryobi, my new Ryobi, and I had so much luck with these that this is my second Ryobi. You just do that, keep doing that on each tooth. And all I did was hit a rock, and I decided since I hit that rock, I would take it out and go ahead and sharpen it. So I'm going to go 1 and 2. The second one I'm going to stop on. I'm going to bring it down. You'll notice I'm sharpening that side and the top right here. And it does an excellent job, and it's pretty easy, one of the easiest sharpeners I've ever used. Let's see how I bring it up there, like that. Press the lock, bring it down. And how do you measure your depth you're going? So you'll start out playing with it cold, and this is where you adjust your depth right here. This is on the back side of the machine. You'll notice I have it a couple screws in my roll around, this is my paint bench. So I put a couple screws in there to hold it down. So it's pretty easy. Once you get it set up, then you can go. Okay. You keep moving right along. Pull it up snug. Press your lock. Okay. I'm going to do all these so I can show you how to turn it around and do the other side. And I think that's all of them on that side. So once you get one side sharpened, how do you sharpen the other side? because it's completely on the different side. The tooth is on the different side. So what I do is, I know it's going to be just one this time because I'm doing the other side. So it'll be that tooth, and we're on 35 degrees. All we do is we change this to the other side at 35 degrees. There's a knob under here that we'll snug it up with. So now we're set for the other side. And if we got everything just right, it'll come down and sharpen the other side. Now I've already sharpened that side, so it may not take much out. So all I did was move it from this side on 35 degrees to this side on 35 degrees. And it's pretty simple. Now, it took me probably 5 minutes to sharpen this chain. This is the most simplest chain sharpening tool I've ever used. I've used a few. This works a lot better than a hand sharpener. So I hope this video kind of helps out a little bit. I've been out here in my shop working on a project for my wife. It's a window box. And she's wanting a window box with blue cushion. I use pallet wood a lot of times. That's all pallet wood. And about to be through with it. Got the lids over there drying. So have a lot of fun out here in the shop. So I hope these videos help everyone out. And I highly recommend this Chicago Electric chainsaw chain sharpener. All right, have a great day. This is Charles signing off.